Tips for preventing clogged drains. If you don't think about what you're pouring down your sink, you could clog your drains. Here are 3 tips to prevent clogged drains. 1. Don't pour grease and oils down the drain. Although grease and oils are liquid when you pour them down your kitchen drain, they'll solidify once they cool down, causing your drains to clog. 2. Don't pour coffee grounds down your drain. Contrary to what people think, coffee grounds don't separate when you toss them down your kitchen sink. Instead, they clump together. 3. Use a drain strainer for sinks and showers. To stop hair from going down your pipes, put a drain strainer in your bathroom sinks and showers. If you don't, you'll need to rely on drain cleaning services to unclog your drains. When you need a plumber or plumbing contractor, call Clark Heating, Air Conditioning and Plumbing at 334-449-7936.